kayang buhay kaming apat. So, yung dalawa kong kapatid napunta sa church, ako napunta sa Bienan, okay, isa natira sa kanya. Alam niyo yung experience ko sa Bienan? Yung kada sandok mo ng kanin bilang sandok yung tubig na nakukonsume ko, talagang binibilang kung ilan na gigamit. So, sobrang hirap. So, I told to my mom, nung once upon a time, nakita ko siya, okay, just to, can you see the hands of those coming in for the first time? Anyone? Bukod kay sir, meron pa po ba mga first time? Wala pa. First time na lang ako makita. Ayan, nasa kamay. Okay. So, just to, we're on the same page. Once upon a time, nakita ko yung mother ko sa ibang bansa. Okay? She attended one of the recognition in Singapore. At that time, I was really amazed. I was really surprised. So, how come a broke person, naka-gown, naka-attend ng bonggang dinner, bonggang event. I got curious actually. So one time, I decided to go to Cavite. At that time ko kasi I was living in Caloocan. So I traveled from Caloocan all the way to Cavite just to attend a church service with them. Okay, sumama ako ng church service. At that such time, yung after ng church, nagyaya yung nanay ko, oh, kakain tayo! Wow! Kakain kami. So kumain kami, dinala niya kami sa somewhere na fancy restaurant. For us kasi before, yung Jollibee McDo, Makiusal, premium na yun. Okay, special na sa amin yun. So nung naka-experience ako noon, nakita ko, so what's going on? What's really going on? Tinanong ko yung nanay ko, ano ko ba yung ginagawa niyo? So sabi niya, I'm doing re-weigh. What's re-weigh? So until such time, doon ko na lang nalaman na na-diagnose na pala siya with intestinal polyposis. So, because of this kind of disease, it runs through the family. Okay, may lolo na died because of this disease. So, it just so happened, yung tatlo kong tatlo kong kapatid, yung dalawang middle child, nagkaroon din nun. Okay, so, buti na lang, hindi ako tinamaan. Pero hindi ikot sa testimony ng health yung topic ko today. Just want to let you know na nakita ko yung nanay ko when I came across the way. I saw her in Hong Kong, binook niya ako ng flight just to be able to attend a recognition. Like what will happen this coming April 1. So, upon seeing her waving the Philippine flag, tapos yung trophy niya as a Diamond 2-star, hindi ko napigilang umiyak. I felt so proud. Sabi ko sa nanay ko, pagbaba niya ng stage, sinalubong ko siya. Kasama pa si Ma'am Sally, 3-star si Ma'am Sally, tsaka si Tatay Joel noon. 3-star sila, si Mami 2-star. So pagbaba nila, sinalubong ko si Mami, niyakap ko siya. Sabi ko sa nanay ko, I'm really, really proud of you. I wanted to become like you. So from a person na complete failure in life, talunan, okay, nakita siya ng anak niya as his hero. So I saw my mom as my hero. That's why I'm here in front of you. Ladies and gentlemen, pag dumating kayo dito, particularly every Thursday, pag umattend kayo dito, sabi ko sa sarili ko, nung una kong na-observe, okay, yung place, sabi ko sa nanay ko, Ma, anong ginagawa ko dito? It's not my cup of tea. Okay? So, ang alam ko, magbukas ng pinto. Okay, mag-close, mag-open. Welcome po, kaman. Yan yung alam ko. The moment I entered that door, nakita ko, sabi ko sa nanay, sorry sa term ko po kasi 24 years old, what do you expect? Ang suot ko po noon, naka-ripped jeans, naka-man band, tapos kung anong polo shirt. Sabi ko sa nanay ko, anong ginagawa ko dito, Ma? Puro, ipak ganito, puro Oklahoma Thunders. So, paano hindi ako makaka-relate? Hindi ako makaka-relate. Sinong kaedad ko, wala akong kaedad dito. So, then I realized, nakita ko, upon observing, nakita ko yung mga tao, majority of them are professionals. Okay? May mga doctors, lawyers, may engineer, and most of them, like Tita Delia, right there, she's 76 years old. Okay? So, ayan, mukha po ba siya 76?
Hindi po.
She's already 76 years old. And I asked myself, anong ginagawa ng mga ganitong klaseng edad sa loob ng company na to? Okay? So, if ako sila, I rather spend time with my family, no? Sa bahay na lang ako, nanonood ng balita, di ba? Pero how come these people, no? Nandito sila and ginagawa nila yung business. And I know for sure, ito yung mga tao na hindi na nag-aaksaya ng panahon. Hindi na nag-aaksaya ng oras, hindi na nag-aaksaya ng panahon nila. Tama po ba? Kasi nasa grace period na sila eh. May making sense. Pero nandito sila, they still wanted to grow. They wanted to make difference in their life. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, kung ganito edad ko, tapos I surround with myself with this kind of people, no? There's a high possibility na kung paano sila mag-isip, ma-adapt ko kung paano rin sila mag-isip. So sabi ko sa nanay ko, sige, gawin ko to. I see to it, no, na every Monday, Thursday, upo ako dyan, makikinig ako. And what I did, nagparo ako ng strike sa lahat ng speakers na nagsasalita dito sa harapan. So, ayun, at the such time, my mom, she was able to hit Diamond 3-star. After a couple of months, I was able to hit Diamond 3-star. During the pandemic, I was able to build a lot of people like me, a lot of millennials like me. However, the thing there is, dami naging 1-star, 2-star, 1-star, 2-star. Then I realized, if you start with the wrong reason, you will end with the wrong reason. That's what I realized. If you are here because of money, okay? Sorry to burst your bubble, If you're here because of money, really is not for you. Okay? But if you are here to become the best version of yourself, to become the best father, best mother, best sister, okay? Best tatay, really is for you. Kasi ito yung company na to, na hindi lang siya nakaka-focus sa finances. Okay, binabalance po niya yung 6 core aspect of life. 6 core aspects of life. Is making sense?
Yes.
Are you with me? Okay.
Yes.
So, hindi ko alam kung ako kinakabahan. Okay? So, dito kasi yung ating mga gwapong business developer. Palakpakan naman natin, no? Sir King, Sir Moises, and Sir Remson. Ayan, yung mga idol ko. Imagine, there are two of them, no? They are from Cebu pa. Diba? So, nandito sila right now rin in Manila. Last Thursday, I believe, Wednesday, magkakasama kami in Iloilo. So, I just came back yesterday, no? Nag-Iloilo ko, nag-Roro. Okay, ang mahal ng flight, imagine, ladies and gentlemen. So, just so happen, may isang leader na nag-i-stay siya doon. So, niroro niya yung vehicle niya doon. Sabi niya, dito na ako, sir. Mas gusto ko dito. So, nangyari, si Janeline naman, siya naman yung nag-Roro pabalik. So, imagine niyo yun, ladies and gentlemen, yung sakit ng ulo, no? Roro pabalik. So, na-overcome ko yun. No, just to be, to all of you, just to be here today. Okay, so my topic, I was asked to share about Secret of the Champions. This is the topic actually of our boss Limon Ho. Okay? Alam niyo po ba, bakit nandito yung